And big news coming in from Delhi NCR. Delhi Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa has apologized for the pollution in Delhi NCR region. Remember, for the past few days, the Delhi citizens have been struggling with severe category and poor category pollution levels. And now the minister has said sorry, but he also says, there's a rider, that he says that he cannot fix the pollution problem or the AQI in just 7 to 8 months. And that is the time since their government came into power. So let's listen to what he's saying.
मैं दिल्ली के लोगों से माफी मांगता हूं, इतना कहना चाहता हूं 9-10 महीनों में कोई सरकार आपको पूरा का पूरा पोल्यूशन को साफ कर सके ऐसा असंभव है। लेकिन मैं दिल्ली वासियों आपको बताना चाहता हूं, आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार जो बेईमानी करके चल कर गई है, हमने उससे बेहतर करके हर दिन का AQI कम करा है। मैं राहुल और प्रियंका जी से पूछना चाहता हूं, कहां थे आपके मास्क पिछले साल इससे ज्यादा पोल्यूशन था, पिछले साल इससे ज्यादा गंदे दिन थे। पिछले साल आज के दिन भी अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं तो 380 AQI था, लेकिन ना राहुल गांधी आपको दिखे ना प्रियंका गांधी दिखे, क्योंकि ये आम आदमी पार्टी के लाभ आप लोग मिले हुए लोग थे और आज इनको ये सब बातें याद आई हैं।
And joining us live on this issue is India Today's Anmol Bali. Anmol, the minister although seems to be apologizing, but the apology is only half an apology because he dedicates only 3 words for that, and then he goes on to say that it is an impossible feat and then goes on to do politics on it. Okay, we'll try and speak to Anmol as soon as possible. But as you just heard the minister, his apology came, but right after the apology came an admission of an inability to fix the pollution and the AQI within the time span that they've been in power, and also a blame shift or a blame game towards the earlier government in power, saying that they are the ones who did not fix it. And then they also target the main opposition in the country, which is the Gandhi siblings and their party, and say that their pollution mask did not come out when the Aam Aadmi Party government was in power, because remember, it was November 18 to 2024, which was officially registered as one of the worst air quality polluted day. And now it seems questions are being raised by the minister as to why last year also, when the pollution level was in severe plus category, why was it not raised then? Now let's listen in once again to what the minister is saying.
मैं दिल्ली के लोगों से माफी मांगता हूं, इतना कहना चाहता हूं 9-10 महीनों में कोई सरकार आपको पूरा का पूरा पोल्यूशन को साफ कर सके ऐसा असंभव है। लेकिन मैं दिल्ली वासियों आपको बताना चाहता हूं, आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार जो बेईमानी करके चल कर गई है, हमने उससे बेहतर करके हर दिन का AQI कम करा है। मैं राहुल और प्रियंका जी से पूछना चाहता हूं, कहां थे आपके मास्क पिछले साल इससे ज्यादा पोल्यूशन था, पिछले साल इससे ज्यादा गंदे दिन थे। पिछले साल आज के दिन भी अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं तो 380 AQI था, लेकिन ना राहुल गांधी आपको दिखे ना प्रियंका गांधी दिखे, क्योंकि ये आम आदमी पार्टी के लाभ आप लोग मिले हुए लोग थे और आज इनको ये सब बातें याद आई हैं।
Right, so you just heard the minister there saying that yes, it is actually the last year pollution level which was the worst, and we did not see the opposition members of the country pulling out their masks and questioning the AQI level when the Aam Aadmi Party government was in power in Delhi. But the question also remains, why ask the question of what has happened already? What about now? What about the plan for the future? Till date, Delhi citizens are waiting for a comprehensive long-term and a short-term plan to counter this pollution that we have seen, this deadly pollution that has been covering Delhi and the adjoining areas, the NCR areas that we've been seeing. Already, many schools have turned to hybrid mode. We have GRAP 4, and joining us right now once again is India Today's Anmol Bali. Anmol, as I was asking you earlier, it seems that the minister apologizes, but then he quickly jumps into blame game and he quickly starts questioning the opposition parties as well and the previous government as well.
Anjali, today we saw a visual of Aam Aadmi Party protesting here outside the Delhi Secretariat. They were clinking plates, and even we have seen that Aam Aadmi Party leader Saurabh Bhardwaj and Sanjeev Jha reached there with various workers, those who were clinking plates outside Delhi Secretariat, and they were protesting against the BJP and the pollution situation in the national capital. And on the other hand, Minister Manjinder Sirsa has also called a press conference regarding pollution situation and the stricter curbs they are going to take to curb pollution in the national capital, where he clearly said that I apologize to the people living in the national capital, but it is not possible, or it is not easy to curb pollution within few months, like 7 to 8 months. And yeah, Aam Aadmi Party is targeting the BJP, not only Aam Aadmi Party, but the blame game is also being played by the opposition and the ruling party both, and Congress is also blaming the Bharatiya Janata Party. We have seen that Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, they're talking about the pollution situation.
Absolutely, and the questions need to be asked to the government and the minister only. Let's listen into what exactly did the minister say today.
मैं दिल्ली के लोगों से माफी मांगता हूं, इतना कहना चाहता हूं 9-10 महीनों में कोई सरकार आपको पूरा का पूरा पोल्यूशन को साफ कर सके ऐसा असंभव है। लेकिन मैं दिल्ली वासियों आपको बताना चाहता हूं, आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार जो बेईमानी करके चल कर गई है, हमने उससे बेहतर करके हर दिन का AQI कम करा है। मैं राहुल और प्रियंका जी से पूछना चाहता हूं, कहां थे आपके मास्क पिछले साल इससे ज्यादा पोल्यूशन था, पिछले साल इससे ज्यादा गंदे दिन थे। पिछले साल आज के दिन भी अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं तो 380 AQI था, लेकिन ना राहुल गांधी आपको दिखे ना प्रियंका गांधी दिखे, क्योंकि ये आम आदमी पार्टी के साफ लोग मिले हुए लोग थे, और आज इनको ये सब बातें याद आई हैं।
Okay, so you heard the minister there once again, and as he spoke about how exactly did the opposition not raise the issue last year, we go back to our India Today reporter Anmol Bali, who's there on the streets of Delhi. Anmol, politics is clearly playing out on this issue. You know, earlier we used to see politicians ignoring this issue, but this year it's taken center stage. It's taken national politicians also who have brought this issue directly into the parliament as well.
Anjali, we have seen that politicians, those who come from various corners of India for the parliament session, and we know that winter session is going on, where we have seen that various politicians wearing gas masks come to the parliament, and they also come on cycle and even on the EV vehicles. This came as a message against the pollution in the national capital, because we know that pollution in Delhi is in very severe category. The pollution level is above 350 in various corners of Delhi, and on the other hand, we also see the politics escalating, where BJP claims that they are working against the pollution, but Aam Aadmi Party and the other Congress parties are blaming BJP for not being able to control pollution in Delhi. And today also we have seen that government has announced various strict measures to control pollution, like GRAP 4 has been implemented. Earlier it was seen that various provisions of GRAP 4 were shifted to GRAP 3, and GRAP 3's provision were shifted to GRAP 2, and even schools have been now shifted to hybrid mode.
Right, absolutely. Anmol, we'll come back to you as we try and explain to our viewers what are the exact pollution curbs that have been implemented in Delhi. We'll be coming back to you. Stay with us. So, Delhi government has imposed, in fact, it is planning to impose strict action against pollution creating actions in Delhi to curb the pollution. They have announced some stricter curbs. Minister said that from day after tomorrow, vehicles without a valid PUC, which is Pollution Under Control certificates, will not be provided fuel at the petrol pumps. So if you do not have your PUC updated, please go and do that, because you will not get petrol in Delhi. Now, with enforcement will be done, and it will be done through cameras. All monitoring will be done, so the petrol pumps can refuse you fuel. He further announced that non-Delhi private vehicles which are below BS6 norms will not be allowed to enter Delhi. This is important for the people who travel to Delhi for work or any other reasons and cross the borders daily. The transportation of building materials into the city has also been banned, and strict action will be taken against violators. So any trucks that would be coming into Delhi with these material will face action. Going back to India Today's Anmol, who is keeping an eye on this situation. Anmol, this issue, of course, is important to note, but the curb that the minister is saying that if you do not have a PUC will mean you will not get petrol. Now, is this only for Delhi? Because I'm assuming this kind of curb cannot be imposed in the rest of the areas of NCR by the Delhi government.
Anjali, this curve has been imposed for national capital Delhi only, not for the NCR, where we have seen that today while talking with media, Minister Maninder Sirsa has clearly announced this curves. He clearly said that people without PUCC, pollution under control certificates, those who have expired or doesn't have any certificates will not be given fuel at the petrol pumps, at the diesel pumps, and even this will all be monitored by the cameras. The cameras will be reading the number plates, and then it will allow the vehicle to get fuel or not. And on the other hand, they have also announced that no building material is entered in the national capital. Strict action will be taken against the people those will try to bring the building material into the national capital, because we know that Graph 4 has been imposed where construction works has been banned by the Delhi government, and even they have also said that vehicles, non-Delhi vehicles under BS6 are also not allowed to enter in the national capital. So these clear strict measures have been now imposed by Delhi government. This all will be implemented day after tomorrow. So you have time till tomorrow. You can update your PUC certificate or you can work on your other things if you want to travel in the national capital. Anjali.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Anmol, for all those details. So there is now a call out to everyone who has a car and intends to come to Delhi. You better have your licenses and your certificates in place.